The sun and moon overlap once again, which means it's time for the Network Gladiator Eclipse. Don't miss out on another chance to enter a customized AI into the only tournament where gigachips are actually good. And this time, we've got a new challenger. Join us once again, ladies and gentlemen, for the Network Gladiator Eclipse. Hello once again, everybody. It's time for another Network Gladiator Arena stream. Just like the first stream, we will use Battle Network 4's free tournament feature and a save editor to watch the AI battle it out with customizations created by you. The rules are simple. Using the Google form linked in the description, send me your customizations and I'll edit them into my save. Then, come stream day, we watch the action unfold. Here's what you can customize. First, you must select a Navi. Each one of them has a different amount of starting HP, and this time, in addition to the 12 Navis normally available, I've discovered a 13th Navi can be entered with a cheat code. Mega Man himself! Yes, I need a cheat code to add the main character of the game, but then, only Navis that you fight as Dark Soul bosses can be in this tournament, and you do fight a Dark Soul Mega Man. He doesn't have any passives or extra attacks beyond Buster Shots, but he moves fast and uses chips frequently. And of course, the other 12 are still available. Gutsman, Fireman, Roll, Windman, Searchman, Thunderman, Aquaman, Numberman, Woodman, Metalman, Junkman, and Protoman. Check the linked spreadsheet for starting HP, innate passive abilities, and anything else you might need to know about their behavior. Next, you can spend HP to add passive abilities to your Navi. On the Google form, there is a checkbox for every ability, and again, check the linked spreadsheet for more information on each ability. Finally, the battle chips. Once again, up to 30 chips can be selected, and you may have up to 5 mega chips and 1 giga chip, unless you have abilities that modify this limit. All chips in Battle Network 4 are available, including dark chips, but keep in mind these two limitations. You cannot use light chips without the Soul Cleanse ability. Dark and evil chips incur a penalty of 80 HP per chip if you do not have the Dark License ability. Chip codes do not matter, and program advances can also be added. They will count as having added their components to the folder. A max of 4 copies of a chip is allowed. You can, for instance, include 4 cannons, or 1 cannon and Giga Cannon 1, but not 4 cannons and Giga Cannon 1. Also check the spreadsheet for additional notes regarding some of the chips and their properties. Some chips like Attack plus 10 will do nothing in this setting, for example, and the AI cannot perform command inputs. It also appears that the number of copies of a particular chip doesn't affect how many times the AI uses that chip, rather it will affect the frequency with which they use it. There are still some uncertainties regarding AI behavior, so this time the spreadsheet also includes a guide to playtesting your build by altering an encounter in the game data. To make the process a little easier, I'm going to link a folder building tool by the user Dilonzer. This tool makes folder building a breeze and outputs text you can copy and paste into the Google form. However, it won't allow dark chips or program advances, so you will have to edit the text yourself to add those. You can, of course, write out the list of chips yourself entirely if you choose. That concludes the guide to submitting. I'm hoping to get many submissions this time. The plan is to run 4 tournaments and then pit the finalists against one another in a final tournament. If we do not have enough, I'll simply run the same entrants in multiple tournaments as I did in the last stream, and the grand champion will go on to face additional fun challenges of my own design. I'll leave that to your imagination, and I'll see you in the tournament stream. Good luck with your submissions, and have fun with it, everybody!